Welcome to Alltech. We are here to welcome you, one of the India's pioneer manufacturers and current market leaders of road and civil construction machinery since last 2 decades. We are known for strength, quality and endurance. Alltech Industries is a customer-driven organization which platforms top talents, experts, understands the current scenario, knows the need and always stay ahead of the learning curve. Alltech Industries is a joint venture with Alltech Polita with its quest for excellence in quality, service with transparent pricing and providing total customer satisfaction, and gave the country the capacity to produce global standard asphalt mix in various quantities. Alltech Polita is a registered trademark of Indo-Turkish JV, being established in the year 2008. The company's manufacturing facilities of 18,000 square meter open and 4,500 square meter closed area are located in Mehsana, India, 1-hour car drive from Ahmedabad Airport. Our reputation as an OEM, original equipment manufacturers, has made us the preferred manufacturers of asphalt batch mix plants, bitumen drum, bag decanter, concrete brick, block making machine. Asphalt batch mix plant is quintessential construction equipment used for manufacturing of asphalt that is mainly used for road construction and other civil construction. These plants are available in capacities ranging from 80 TPH to 240 TPH. Alltech Polita, by virtue of the European OEM, produces the best quality asphalt mix, which significantly increases the life of our roads and give it the formidable strength to fight climatic conditions and stay strong against the nation's demanding roadway needs. 4-beam feeders and feeding belt conveyor. 4-beam feeder are the primary component of the Alltech Polita. The bins of asphalt mixing plants are all welded and modular in construction, permitting easy addition of bins to meet growing needs. All rubber conveyor belts are of standard make with suitable drive of each auxiliary feeder. Slinger conveyors. A continuous electronic belt weighing system with load cell is mounted on the slinger cold conveyor for weighing the aggregates flow in tons per hour, which are synchronized by the controls panel to ensure precise measuring of aggregate. Dryer drum. The drying drum is thermally insulated with high-quality insulation material and enclosed with stainless steel. The drum rings, which form an important part of the plant, are machined with special steel. The field-proven unique flight design ensures total heat transfer, a thorough mixing and coating, lower emissions and prevention of bitumen oxidation. A plant known for high thermal efficiency against very low fuel consumption also makes effective use of the heat with optimum mechanical stability. Primary dust collector unit and baghouse filter. The dust collection system comprises a pre-separator for coarse dust and a filtration section dedicated for fine dust particles found in the microns. The process before the final separation is significant in increasing the life of the filter bags by collecting coarse particles and allowing only the thinnest and the finest of all the particles into the filter bags, precisely in the size less than 74 microns. Bucket elevator. The drive system of the bucket elevator is reliable, low maintenance and a less noisy system, which contains 2 mounted high-power, efficient double heliworm gearbox motors with synchronization shafts. Due to inbuilt backstop facility, no slippage is there. multi-deck vibrating screen. Dried aggregated are generally transported from the dryer by a hot elevator and deposited onto a screening unit that is mounted over the plant bins. The function of hot screens is to accurately separate the aggregate into the specified sizes. The technician will observe the screens in operation to be sure they can handle the maximum feed. Due to sliding facility of top cover, easy replacement of screen. Hot bins. Hot bins are used to temporarily store heated and screened aggregate in the various size fractions required. Each bin should be large enough to prevent depletion of the material when the mixer is operating at full capacity. Plant bins hold the heated, screened aggregate in various size fractions required. Pug mill mixers. The heart of Alltech Polita asphalt batch mix plant with the 3-dimensional twin shaft type pug mill mixer, realizing a quick mixing of asphalt. The drive system of the mixer is reliable, low maintenance and a less noisy system which contains 2 mounted high power efficient double heliworm gearbox motors with synchronization shafts, pneumatically operated radial gates for quick discharge of hot mix material. Control cabin. Alltech Polita control cabin brings the latest, user-friendly and highly efficient control system, installed smartly inside a steel control cabin with insulated air-conditioned walls. According to the different situations and stages, Alltech Polita control cabin enables automatic or manual management control of all the functions of the plant. A click of the button gives you the access to all the functions of the plant. Today we are celebrating our victory and the beginning of a new era. We are officially the winners of the economic year, and we have to do our best in order to prove that we deserve such a noble status.